This is a test fire of the 1-ton 100-watt amplifier left channel. So we go down here, see the double gang variac with the signal generator on top. Use the variacs to bring up the plate voltage. System's in normal, we're out of lockout. Preamp is up to temperature. Signal generator is already on. Got my hand on here, we're going to start raising the plate voltage. Right at 1,000 volts on the plate. Close to 100 milliamps on the tubes. Back them down just a hair. See the 872s over and back, 845s. Our meter's actually hooked up and running. Altec A127A preamp. I'm going to turn it to just position 1 for the signal generator. There's the 3 kilohertz tone. Our speaker we're using right now is a JBL with a potato masher horn. In the back there's a UTC PA type choke. There's the UTC LS-845 output. Filament transformer for the 872s. Filament transformers for the 845s. There's the plate transformer. There's the input transformer with the little bridge of resistors I put together. About 1,000 volts across these 2 capacitors right here. Bleeder resistor. It's a Western Electric choke. Both of these chokes, the UTC and the Western Electric choke, are both rated at 500 milliamps. There's the 2 25,000 volt capacitors in the other cabinet. There's another bank of 25,000 volt capacitors. VTVM, the other channel. Filament plate caps. I used the 2 capacitors to build sort of a wall isolating the preamplifier transformer and the output transformer. So they're sort of shielded from some, especially the high voltage and the input. I'll turn that signal tone off. We don't really need that. Altec equalizer, fluke voltmeter. This meter here shows the amperage that the system's drawing in total. Here's our lockout switches. There's the voltage coming out of the synchroscope. Right side 845 plate current, left side 845 plate current. This is a balance. This controls your bias. I'm actually going to lower the voltage just a hair. There you go, hour meter. These 2 voltmeters on the bottom here will be for the plate voltage, and then the amperage will show the amperage that the plate transformer is drawing. It's not hooked up right now, and this is an amp meter that will probably be hooked up to one of the filament transformers. There you go. 872s look real good back there with their blue plasma. They're sitting on a phenolic shelf. And then those are some dropping resistors you see below them. They come off the dropping resistors and feed these 2 plate current meters. That's the left channel. The right channel has not been tested out just yet. Here we go. The filaments and everything are still ready to go. I need to hook up a my noise generator so I can check out the EQs. and I haven't gotten the other gauges mounted for this side, which is what we're waiting on in it. There's a signal generator, random noise generator, and the variac. Each one of those gangs is rated for 200 amps, so the massive overkill, but one of those, the top one is feeding both of these, then the bottom one feeds this third cabinet over here. These are the Max. They go up in there, and that way we can bring all the MI200s up nice and slowly. But there you go. Total weight, 1 ton. A lot of watts.